State today announced 4 new COVID-19 cases. All were on the neighbor islands, none on Oahu. That brings our overall statewide total to 584 cases. Despite the low number of new cases today and the high recovery rate, the governor is not poised yet to loosen the stay-at-home order, which is set to expire at the end of the month. Manolo Morales has more.
The governor restated that Hawaii is doing a good job overall in flattening the curve, but he says he needs to consider all the options before making any decisions on loosening the current restrictions.
We are not there yet. We are not at the stage where we can enter phase 1 of the president's reopening process, which requires a 14-day period of reductions in cases.
The governor has appointed former Hawaiian Electric CEO Alan Oshima to put together a plan on how to open Hawaii's economy. He says it will be done in several phases, and at this point, we're still getting through the first phase.
We really have to address the critical needs that are facing us now. Food needs, shelter, essential services, public health. As we move through this and we reach some stability, we can now start to plan on what we call reopening.
Oshima adds that the plan is to push Hawaii for a thorough recovery, and not just economically, but socially, with public health still a top priority. When it's time to start opening the businesses, there will be a lot of thought and discussion among the experts.
We will have to come to some discussion and decisions on which businesses to open first. This has to be a soft opening of our state, not one for all.
The White House guidelines say states can also open their economy if the percentage of cases drop over a 14-day period. KHON2 has been tracking that data, and Hawaii has met that requirement, but the governor says he's still not ready to ease the restrictions. He adds he needs to look long-term because this virus will be around for a while.
And so we may look at relaxing restrictions, and if we see a spike in the cases, then we would look at reenacting some of those restrictions.
Manolo Morales, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.